So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace this food grinder. What happened is our sink got clogged because of this wasn't working properly already. So the water from there, the sink, it goes all the way through the washer, which is right there. So yesterday I did clean this and it wasn't working properly anymore, so I think much better for it to replace it. I have the new one already. I'm just gonna set it up, then I will come back. So the tools that you're gonna be need for this job is a channel lock and a Phillips screw, and of course the brand new food grinder. So first thing you need to do is to locate your fuse. You have to shut off the fuse, which is this is my breaker here. So I did shut off there. This one. And then these two right here, because it says there kitchen plugs. So shut that off and then you can start the job. Okay, I'll be back. Here we are. So the first thing you need to do is loosen this. You have to loosen that, and then you have to remove this hose from here, and then this plug here. So I don't have anything to hold the camera up for me, so I'm just gonna remove this first, and then I'll be back once I'm done removing it. So to remove the badger, you just have to twist this lock right here. You have to twist that on that direction right there. That's loosen. This direction is tighten. This one goes tight. That one goes on loose. So I just have to twist it, and then I'll be back. So there you go guys, I already removed this, and this is the food grinder that I just removed. So you have to pay attention for the wires. There's like two connections. This is the power, and this is the ground, and there's another ground over there, right there. That's the ground. So I'm just gonna remove the wirings and replace that with a brand new one. Like this is the brand new one. So I'm just gonna do that first, and then I'll come back. So there you go, this is the old one. So now I know that that's why it's not working properly, because there's already crack in there, as you can see. This is a really old one. I'm not sure like how long this one is here. So it's kind of gross. So that's the new one now. I just have to reinstall the wirings. And so there you go, I got the wiring hook already. I tuck it in inside right there, so I can put this cover. I just have to tighten that. Snug it. There you go. That should be good. And then now okay, hold on, I'll be back again. Nobody holding the camera up for me. So there you go, after you hook up the wiring, and then you have to reinstall this. This is a new one. This is new pipe that came with a kit. So you have to put so you guys can see, put the gasket first there. Insert this to here like this. Okay, hold on. Yeah, like this. That's good. So it's like this. With the new screws, this one right there. the Phillips screw like this. Don't tighten it all the way in, so you can insert the other one right on the other side. Like this. And fix your pipe. Mine is like this. So now I'm going to snug this. Yeah, there we go. So there you go. Just pay attention on how you guys remove your own wood grinder, because this pipe, it can go downwards or upwards. Mine is just like this. So I have to like this. Okay, so I snug that so I can tight this other side so it will be even. There we go. So now it's snug. Then snug the other side as well. Right there. There we go. There you go. So that's tight. This is tight. Okay. So right after that, you have to install. Mine goes out like this, so pay attention on how you take it out. So mine is first this one. Ouch. Okay, so it's gonna be like this, that. Okay. Now, then this one first. This one first. The wrapping mechanism. That. And the rubber thing. There you go. Have to put this up through. Hold on. Okay. I'm just gonna reinstall this, then I'll come back. So there you go. I got the wood grinder installed, so I got all the connection reconnected as well. And for you guys to hear, so there it is working now. There you go. So it's so easy to install it. This is the old one right there. So I'm just gonna turn this off. There you go, guys. It's so easy. So I hope it helps. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.